I get asked time and time again how to make an amp dance. Basically, you're a rock and roller in your heart and your soul, and you make it come through out in the amp. Repeat that and subscribe. Yeah. Woo! I must have a lot of rock and roll in me. So you just do it. It's like that.